from Los Angeles.
Good morning.
Where are we right now?
Warner Brothers.
Yeah, Warner Brothers Studio Tour. This is one of the awesomest things to do in the city, man. So
We're excited. We're ready.
We're about to do this. Let's go.
Los Angeles is the center of the world's film and television industry, and one of the best ways to immerse yourself in the rich culture of cinema is to go on a Warner Brothers studio tour, which you can only find here in Hollywood. So we signed up for a Warner Brothers studio tour on Viator, which takes us to exclusive areas of the Warner Brothers studios on a small guided group tour. The tour lasts for approximately 3 hours and gives you an opportunity to visit sets where scenes from the most popular movies and television series were filmed. During the tour, we visit locations for sets including Young Sheldon, Abbott Elementary, Gilmore Girls, Friends, and a few more. We were also granted behind-the-scenes access to one of the live filming sets for the show All American. I haven't seen it, but it is really cool to see the area and filming locations for all these shows. After the main tour, you get exclusive access to an interactive area where they have props and recreated sets from some of your favorite movies in cinema history. These include areas like the Game of Thrones, DC Universe, things such as Superman, Batman, there's even the Batmobile and the Batcave that you can check out, and the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, where you can see tons of props used for the movies. If you love movies and TV, this is definitely a tour you should consider signing up for yourself. If you want to, I'll have the link in the description below so you can check out the tour that we did. Stay tuned for more of our adventures in Los Angeles because we did a 3-day itinerary there and it was pretty sick, so you're gonna enjoy it.
Happy Christmas, Harry.
Happy Christmas, Ron. are you wearing? Happy Christmas, Ron. What are you wearing?
Oh, Mum made it. Looks like you've got one too.
I've got presents.
Yeah.
Aww. Great.
where you ought to be. Your cunning is matched by few. Yes, no question here. You belong in Slytherin! Gryffindor! We'll shape you into the wizard. Just and loyal. True. Yes, clearly. Hufflepuff!
Yeah. just finished our tour of the Warner Brothers studio. What do you guys think?
Woo,
So much fun.
So cool. Loved it.
What was your favorite part?
Harry Potter, of
Obviously.
course.
I think for me was seeing the sets.
Yeah.
Gilmore Girls set was pretty cool.
There's tons of sets and there's so much history that goes around. I mean, so many famous movies are shot there. It's incredible. If you're a movie buff, you definitely got to go.